all might be wondering, what are we going to do? So today we are going to do a recipe for the first time in our channel. So this is the recipe, episode 1. It's going to be very interesting. So come and join and cook with us. So now you might have all guessed what are we going to do by seeing all these ingredients and things. So it's of course a cake. It's an eggless sponge vanilla tea cake. So it is going to be very easy. So these are the ingredients we need to bake the tea cake. So I'll introduce them. So first we need 1/2 cup curd or yogurt, and then we have to take powdered sugar, which is also 1/2 cup, and then you can take a pinch of salt and then 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. So next we need 1 cup maida and 1/4 cup milk powder and 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda and 1/4 cup milk. So these are the ingredients. So now let's start baking. So first we are going to mix these 4 ingredients, okay? So come. First we will add the curd, okay? Next we will add the powdered sugar. We can add the pinch of salt. And you can add the vanilla essence. Now we can start whisking. So mix it nicely, okay? So till it gets a texture like this. So after mixing this, keep this aside, and now let's add the other ingredients. So dry ingredients except milk, okay? So you can take another bowl, and then first let's add the maida, okay? And then you can add the milk powder. Then you can add the baking powder. And then the baking soda. A spatula, you can first start mixing these dry ingredients with this, okay? You can mix it nicely. So now we have to shift the flour using this. We can add little by little. We have shifted all these dry ingredients fully, and now we can start mixing all these. Okay. Now after mix, you can add the milk gradually, little by little. Continue mixing this. Okay. Pour all the milk, and if you also need more, you can also take some milk, okay? Now I have mixed the batter, so this is how it looks. I added also 2 tablespoons extra milk, so that's it. So now we can take a tray and you can put a butter paper if you have it in your home. And don't just put the batter over it. You can grease some ghee or butter into it, and then you can put. We have mixed it. So as you all saw, now we are going to put it in this tray. Okay. We can pour the batter into the tray. You can see. And now tap this tray in the table or anywhere so that these bubbles, like if there are bubbles, like the cake won't come nicely, and it would be like there are holes in the cake. So that's why we should tap like this. And then you can start baking it. Now, before keeping the cake inside, you need to preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 to 10 minutes. So now, the cake is ready to bake. So you can use an OTG or an oven to bake. So today I am using an OTG. So you can open it and then keep on. Now the cake is baking, as you can see. Please keep the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes for the cake to bake. Ta-da! Now the cake is ready. Now our tea cake has been fully baked. So you can see it now. So to check if the tea cake is baked fully or not, you can take a toothpick or a small knife and then you can poke a small hole in it, and if there is nothing here like this, that means the cake is fully baked. Now the cake is ready to unmold. So first, take the cake slowly from the butter paper and then remove the butter paper gently. So now, after removing the butter paper in the cake, turn it and your beautiful tea cake is ready. So now, we can start slicing it with a knife. Now let's taste it. The cake was very amazing. It was so yummy. It's also so fluffy and its texture is exactly like tea cakes. So enjoy your tea with your cake. If you like this recipe and if you did, please like, share and subscribe my channel Vibrant Wimba, and please comment below how was the recipe, and then your next recipe episode will come soon. Give me a thumbs up.